Good morning, friends. You have been doing such a great job learning about your finger names and learning how to use different tools in our classroom. And today I'm going to show you the right way to use scissors. I think this is a really important skill, and it's something that we're going to practice a lot this year. And it's kind of difficult for some of my friends, so I want to make sure that we're going to do it correctly, because if you can hold your scissors correctly, it makes it really easy to cut paper. So, do you remember the names of our fingers? This is the thumb, this is the index or pointer finger, and this is the middle finger, right? And this is a ring finger, and this is the pinky. When we write, we only use these three fingers, right? We pinch them together and we hold our pencil here. Well, when you're using scissors, you use those same three fingers, and then these two fingers get rolled underneath. We don't need them. So you're going to hold like this. You may use your left hand if that's more comfortable, or you may be someone who uses your right hand if that's more comfortable. It doesn't matter to me. The most important thing for you to know is that scissors have these two holes. One hole is very small and one hole is a little bit bigger. That's because this is going to hold one finger and this is going to hold two fingers. Which two fingers do you think are going to go in there? Are they going to be these two fingers? No. They're going to be these two fingers, the index and the middle. So I want you to go ahead and look at your scissors. I want you to put them on the table so they're flat, and so that the big hole is at the top and this little hole is at the bottom. You're going to slide your two fingers into that hole, and you're going to put your thumb into this hole. Now, is your thumb in the little hole and your two fingers in the big hole? Good. All right, so one of the things I want you to notice is that these scissors, with these scissors, I have my thumb at the top. Do you see how my thumb is at the top? And my index and my middle finger are at the bottom? That's because when you are using scissors, your thumb is always the boss. He's always on top. He drives the scissors. He's the thing that's going to tell you where you're going. So I want you to put your fingers, two fingers in this part. Your thumb goes in the small one, and I just want you to practice opening and shutting. Open and shutting. Keep your thumb on the top. Keep your thumb on the top. Now these scissors are a little bit small for me because I have adult hands, but I'm going to make them work for today so that you can see. Open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. Now that you're an expert at that, I'm going to show you how to cut with paper. I want you to get a small piece of paper, not a big piece of paper, something small. And whenever we cut, we're going to hold it in our other hand. I'm using my right hand, so I'm going to hold it in my left hand. Maybe you're left-handed, you're going to hold your scissors in your left hand, and you'll hold your paper with your right. It doesn't matter, whatever's most comfortable for you. But you're going to notice I don't have my hand turned upside down. My thumb is not on the bottom. My thumb is going to be at the top. I'm going to put my scissors in here, and I'm just going to snip. Open and close, open and close, open and close, open and close, open and close. Did you see that? Now, if you only use the end of your scissors, you're only going to get a very small cut. But if you open your scissors way up and put that in there, you can get big cuts like this. I want you to try and make both kinds of cuts. Practice on, you can practice on newspaper or old scraps of paper, maybe old envelopes or mail that your mom or dad or grandma and grandpa has laying around. But I just want you to today practice cutting. Remember to keep your thumb at the top. It goes in the small hole, and your index finger and your middle finger in the big hole. And just cut, cut, cut. That's all you have to do for today. Have fun.